Umekuwa wapi? Hii muda yote umenieka hapa hivi na kungoja kama mtoto. Umenifanya hapa hivi na kamjinga.
Babe, kuna sokwa saidia mama kufanya ndio mali nimedelay.
Like ujai kosa excuse. Ujai kosa excuse kwa kitu yote ile. You know what?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Ooh, now I just wanna eat, baby.
Kazi yako ni kufungua gate hapa. Why are you taking so long? Kama kazi imekushinda, you better say kuna watu jobless wengi huko nje.
Kamam. Usiniharibie kazi. Who are you? Kwanza ni nani? Unataka kuingia kwenye na kifua. Who are you? Wewe nani?
You know what? I don't have time for your madness.
I made you cry, I know, I swear it's not intentional. I close my eyes, even in the dark, I wish you would come back. Guess I can love you, if I could love you, I wouldn't have you.
Oya, Montana, na sijui vile unajitanga. Cheki, babangu alikuleta hapa hivi fungue gate, sawa? So, anything kitu ambao uelewi, achana nayo. Umesikia? And by the way, this is my fiancé, Ivy. So utakuwa unamuona hapa hivi most of the time, sawa?
Sorry sir. Fiancé ni. You see it?
Let's go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.
Baby shwali. Hii ni nini hizo umevaa? Like shwali, hii ni nini umevaa? Huh? I have so many classic friends. Huh? Na ndio maana sitakangi kwenda na wewe popote kwa sababu the way unavanga tu ni kuniibisha tu kila mahali shwali. What is this?
Babe, kwani baby sijakaa poa?
Oh. So unaangalia unaona uko tu sawa? You okay, si ndio?
She make a vibe for you, baby. She make a sing for you, baby. She make a voice for you, baby. Yeah. Pull up, make we dey push, baby. Make we listen.
Kamam. Kuna kitu inaitwa courtesy. Hata kama unirecognize wewe nisalimia, sema tu asante, nimekufungulia gate. Hey.
Courtesy with empty pockets. Excuse me. Use that bullshit to better your life.
Check Kamam. There is somebody somewhere who said beauty can take you to the palace, but your behaviors will determine the time we'll spend in that palace. Wewe ni kizungu na nitafakari ya babu. Anyway, nimeona your mfianzi akitoka akiwa amekasirika na pia hajatoka na wewe. Kwani is it what I'm thinking? Ama kuuliza.
You know what? I don't have time for your bullshit. Excuse me.
Oh, my enemies are suffering. Oh, my enemies are suffering. All the plans are scattered.
Hey, chill. So Montana, leo niko na demu mwingine kwa nyumba. So tafadhali Ivy akikuja leo usijaribu kumfungulia aingie. Tafadhali. Usimess kumfungulia ingie. Na pia mzaki kama ukisikia tu gari yake asiingie. Nipigie kwa siku na nambangu. Hakikisha umenipigia alafu ndio muruhusu. Sawa sawa? Iko fiti?
But sir,
iko shida?
Na feeling ni kama Ivy anakupenda. Mbona unamcheat?
Montana,
So,
the last time I checked, you are just a mere watchman. So please, mind your business. And by the way, next time, tafadhali, usiwahi niuliza swali la kijinga kama hilo. Sawa? Just space yako bwana.
yes sir.
Hey.
I made you cry, I know, I swear it's not intentional. I close my eyes, even in the dark, I wish you would come back. Guess I can love you, if I could love you, I wouldn't have you messed up. Nigga can love you, if I could love you, I wouldn't have you messed up.
Ooh, now I just wanna eat, baby. Yeah, cause the love you give me never die. Yeah, I just want to see you just get happy.
Sitaki hizi jokes zako. Kutoka I think nimekutolerate sana.
Wamesema usiingie.
Na nani?
You are fiancé. Wamesema usiingie.
Kwani what's wrong? Mbona anasema nisiingie?
Unajua nikikuangalia sana, you are so beautiful, you look intelligent. Na expect, unajua kuna kitu inaitwa self importance. Self importance ndile ukikuwa place una feel uko respected ama una feel hakuna mtu akurecognize na kurespect. Inafaa read the writings on the wall. Because clearly you want the writings on the wall. Anyway,
I know say I be fine boy, but let me make a fine money. No come here on the wine me, you play me like I'm a toy. You follow me make a fine money, make you no come here the wine me, cause you said you was you free. It means my bullshit love, so you don't have to tell me you know was you free. Oh yeah, come on bullshit love, guess.
I made you cry, I know, I swear it's not intentional. I close my eyes, even in the dark, I wish you would come back. Guess I can love you, if I could love you, I wouldn't have you messed up. Nigga can love you, if I could love you, I wouldn't have you messed up.
Yoni,
Food. Chukua.
ni nini?
Ni food. Chukua. Come on.
Umenileta mimi? Unaniona kama mjinga, si ndio? Leo unanichukia hivi. Unileta mimi food. So mama tu nipatie sumu ndo uniue tu iishe hivyo. Ama?
Hey, come on. Sikwangi mbaya hivyo. Take it.
Thanks Ivy.
Sawa, bye. Tuchongea.
Bye.
Say, you gon' come to my place. I need you in my space, oh. I want you in my space, oh. Say, I just want to see your face.
Wow. Kumbe watu ukatu wazee wakiwa na uniform zao za job. Haya.
Awe acha hizo.
Hey, you look good in civilian.
Oh.
Escort leo. Niko escort leo.
Ni Scott?
Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch you, if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you right. Let me touch you, love you, yeah. If you let me love you.
Boyfriend wangu toxic fiancé.
Kwani hujui jokes? at the end of the day ni toxic. Anyway, mimi natoka pale. Si acha tu niishie tuta mama. It might be wrong to say this, but Ivy, I can say you are such a beautiful woman. Nah, actually, member your company. Your boyfriend must be happy.
I just want to see you just the happier. Baby, don't you ever leave my side. Now only you I want on my life. Oh my darling, you're my fantasy, I just wanna be the only man you wake up with the money and you see. Oh my darling, you're my fantasy, I just wanna be.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through.
Morning.
Shika. Nimekuletea chai.
Thanks.
It's okay. Siacha niende tuonana baadaye.
I've wait. Okay, umeleta food, thanks, but pia kuna kilikuwa nimekubebea leo nilikuwa nataka nikupatie kama utamind.
Oh. Okay.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies.
We know they talk every time, but you're always on my mind. Or me at your side, and I could turn up just to make you smile. But did me go. I promise me I gonna show you love. And if anybody try you, you know we gon' be on side. See my shoulder, make you rest on me. You know I got ya. Now me be your friend.